Welcome to Kallithea Beach, Greece's most beautiful coastal gem. In this video, we will unveil the breathtaking beauty of this stunning beach destination. With its crystal-clear turquoise waters and pristine sandy shores, Kallithea Beach offers a truly unforgettable experience. Whether you're a sunseeker looking to relax under the Mediterranean sun or an adventure enthusiast craving thrilling water sports, this beach has something for everyone. As you step onto the golden sand, you'll be greeted by the refreshing sea breeze and mesmerizing views of the Aegean Sea. The beach is surrounded by lush greenery, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere. You can spend your day lounging on comfortable sunbeds, taking in the sun's warmth while sipping on a delicious cocktail. If you prefer an active day at the beach, there are various water sports activities to choose from. Try your hand at jet skiing, paddleboarding, or snorkeling, and explore the underwater world teeming with vibrant marine life. When hunger strikes, indulge in the mouthwatering Greek cuisine at the beachside tavernas. Feast on freshly caught seafood, savor flavorful gyros, and sample local delicacies while enjoying the panoramic views of the sea. If you're looking for a break from the beach, explore the surrounding area. Visit the stunning Kallithea Springs, known for its healing properties, or take a boat tour to discover hidden coves and secret beaches. As the sun starts to set, witness the sky ablaze with vibrant colors, creating a breathtaking backdrop for romantic strolls along the shore. Capture these priceless moments and create memories that will last a lifetime. Kallithea Beach is truly a slice of paradise, a place where beauty meets tranquility. Once you visit this coastal gem, you'll understand why it's considered Greece's most beautiful beach. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Kallithea Beach. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!